He's going to clean the planes off the desk and table.
Yeah, I say come over here and hold it all the way for us. Going off there, buddy.
Is he coming back or is he done?
They're gone. I'm just glad they cleared the trees okay. Yeah.
Well, Bender got his tree.
Hey, let's give Jim Clifford and a hand to load it, please. Jerry, you want to help Jim load up the PA?
Are they coming back? Woo!
That's awesome, guys. He's showing off. Hey, woohoo! Woo!
That's entertainment.
Yeah. Good job.
Aww. Aww.
That's your tax dollars hard at work, people.
Yeah, it is.
That I don't care.
About 10